Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Working with bitfields in Python, Exploring bitarray and bitstruct. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. While it doesn't have a built-in bitfield type like some other languages, it provides libraries and modules that allow you to work with bitfields effectively. In this tutorial, we'll explore two popular libraries, bitarray and bitstruct, to handle bitfields in Python. Installing the required libraries. Before we get started, let's install the necessary libraries using pip. Using the bitarray library. The bitarray library is a powerful tool for handling bitfields in Python. Using the bitstruct library. The bitstruct library is another useful tool for creating and parsing structured binary data. Practical examples. Let's look at a practical example of using bitfields. Suppose you want to represent the attributes of a file in a compact way. Conclusion. Python may not have a built-in bitfield type, but you can effectively work with bitfields using libraries like bitarray and bitstruct. These libraries provide the tools to create, manipulate, and parse binary data structures with ease. Whether you're working with file attributes, network protocols, or any other binary data, these libraries can simplify your tasks and make your code more readable and maintainable. ChatGPT.